Hello. I was going to say welcome back, but you will never see the video I've just filmed as it crashed. So this is my backup idea. I am having to do it as I completely forgot. Well, I didn't forget. The video just crashed, so this is my backup idea. We are doing another practice session of a track, another F1 track, as I think that's a fun and fair thing to do, is putting on a track it's never been on before might make the car very difficult to drive, and I am trying to give it a honest, fair playtime. I'm a bit gutted about what I've just filmed. This is half an hour down the train, but time to get on this video. We are doing a 10-minute practice session as we have done around Spa before. Spa, sorry, I don't know what I said. Yeah, this will be just want to ask anybody who might find themselves watching this, do you know if tyre wear exists in this game yet? Because there's nothing on the HUD that suggests it. I just want to know, like, is it a thing in this game yet? So I don't know, and I would like to know. And I feel like who's better to ask than other people? We do now start our first flying lap. Now, I always forget when the finish line is on this track. Of this circuit, we do have 10 minutes at a decent lap time. So hopefully we can, unlike last video when it took us a good 7 minutes, 17 laps. One in which obviously we didn't end up doing it. However, I have a lot more experience from other games of this circuit, so this might be easier to do, but I've still never driven this kind of, well, I have, because obviously I made a video, but I haven't, that's the only time I've driven this kind of. I am planning on doing a race weekend in this car, but I just don't know what track yet. So if anybody does have an idea of a good track for this car, let me know, I guess. I will try it. Hopefully that when I'm doing it, the video don't delete itself or corrupt. But yeah, this is my first lap of this track in this car. It's at a 1:27. I might have a Google in a second of what in 2012 whole lap time was around here, if they were racing around here at that point. Obviously I knew they were before, but I can't remember, they took a couple of years off on that, because they have run many of them. Do go a bit wide by there, but hopefully, yeah, no real damage by that one. Go wide by here and there, look at the grapple! Something you never want to do. However, it's no problem as well. Easily continue, however, the lap is completed. Something I didn't really want to ask, because I didn't want to sound like I'm begging, but if anybody's watching can or is willing, they could subscribe. I am aiming for 10 subscribers by the end of this year, so if I would reach that I'd be really happy. special fun video for it. Don't know what yet. Might just do like 10 laps. A lap to every subscriber around the track of their choosing. But it has to be a clean lap and a fast lap. Can't be just a really slow lap doing absolutely nothing. I completely forgot about the lap I was on. But yeah, it takes now 1 second. So clearly we didn't set a very good lap to first lap. You can never see the next bit of that chicane as we come out and we do spin. Ooh, and we spin it straight back. We do heat up the rear tyres a bit. That goes that lap again, and 10 minutes have flown by. It's only felt like I've done two laps. Yeah, okay. But anyway, I think we're going to be able to set at least 2 new laps. Hopefully one of them will be clean, as we're not having much luck during these practical sessions around tracks, as the last one in Spa took us a good 7 minutes to set a lap. We want it tighter here, as I've been going on a lot. We do gain what's going to be 8 tenths. It peaked at, but it's now dropped a bit down to 7. And we've gained more time now. Through here, downshift 1. Downshift another 1. Turn. And we keep the lap time we've gained. We are on set of sub 26. Yep, sub 26. I say that with little confidence. This is the true pinnacle of motorsport. Just with this car. And we set a sub 1 minute 25. That lap time is unimaginable. I'm going to reword that because that's it. That lap time is, if you would have said to me before I filmed this video, you would set a sub 1 minute 25 around your laps, I would have laughed in your face. 1:26 at best, I reckon. I would have reckoned actually. We are nearing the end of the session. We are going to be able to set a new lap, I reckon, if we do keep it fast. I know I can just cut the whole chicanes and stuff to get the lap time quicker, but I say that as I lock my brakes and it looks like I did on roads. But that just makes it unfun. And I could use to practice this not very and I've locked my brakes again. Gotta get all this gravel off before I set a new lap, and we do. Brakes are stone cold. Cold, unbelievable. We not have no English today. Yeah, this is going to be our final lap. Hopefully, we don't end it in a barrier, as I feel like we've started strong throughout the whole video. And I've locked my brakes, I thought it was, and I said I didn't want to do this. Anyway, that is going to be the end of this video. I can't say that. I am going to start thanks for watching again. I hate to say it, but if anybody wants to subscribe, thanks. I am hoping for 10 subscribers. If I don't, oh well, it's not going to keep me up at night. However, I would like to. That's all I think I have to say. This video is a lot shorter than what the actual one was going to be, because I've completely butted this part. I need to keep it straight now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks. Bye.